shop for the same budget from Sarojini and same from Shavana. So I have this many things from Shavana itself. Nothing. Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas 2024. So in today's video, this video title gonna be like 2000 rupees at Sarojini versus 2000 rupees at Shavana. So this video gonna be a very fun and interesting one, as in I have fixed a budget of rupees 2000, just to compare what types of products you get from Shavana within the budget limit, and that too from the Sarojini. So I visited Sarojini at the beginning of November itself. So it was a kind of fall season and fall उस हिसाब से भी market था. So I didn't really consider buying sweaters or all those wintry stuffs because तब तक नहीं आया था, to be honest. So yeah, there will be a sneak peek also how I shop from there and what I got. I will show you within the budget itself. So if you wanna see this comparison video, and it's gonna be very fun, please do carry on watching the video. Before that, if you are coming here for the first time and if you are seeing me for the first time, then hi, I'm Prakriti. I make videos related to fashion, beauty, lifestyle here on this channel. So take a moment to subscribe to my channel to see more such videos. And without any further delay, now let's quickly jump into the video. First thing I got is this beautiful kind of cloth bag, tote bag kind of situation we have. So this is how beautiful it look like. It does not comes with a chain or something like that. It's very basic ones. It has this like a thela types of thing you see nowadays, and also बहुत ही like use में भी आ जाता है ऐसे kind of bag. So first purchase was this, and also I like how this code is written. It said hope, and I had to go through a lot in this year to be true, like in the later part of the year. So yeah, this really gave a big smile on my face. This put a really big smile on my face as soon as I saw it. So first thing I got is this bag right here. So yeah, this is how it look like. It's a very much a beige color, and yeah, उतना तो पता like a jute beigeish color. उतना तो पता नहीं चल रहा होगा कैमरे में. It's looking white itself, but yeah, and also this got this hope written with black bordering and everything. So this is my first purchase. So this one cost me 150 or 200. Prices and all you will be visible on the screen. So this is the first thing I got. Okay, so moving to the next stuffs are the clothings. Now these are the 3 kurtas that I purchased from Sarojini itself. So the hair I do not have with me right now in my flat. I left it at my home itself, but I will show you anyways how it looks like. So these are the cotton kurtas, which is so good quality. I was like, इतने कम prices में how they are selling this good quality products. And to be honest, ये मेरा Sarojini का first time visit था. I never went to Sarojini before. This was my very first time, and I was मैंने हमेशा से इसके बारे में बहुत ही hype सुना था. And when I went there, I understood why it is so much hype. It really deserve that hype, I would rather to say, because मैं कुर्तीज़ को देख के fan हो गई थी. So it got this chikankari of designing itself going on the neck as well as border, and ये बिल्कुल 3/4 sleeve तक था, and I got it in the size large itself. It's so beautiful. Large or medium, I don't remember. I will put here how it looks like on me. So I got 2 green kurtas, very beautiful green color, and I think 1 pink for that matter. Yeah, pink. So 3 kurtas I bought, and each one cost me 250 rupees, and it's very much well deserved. इतना flattering लगता है. As I said, it was a fall season and it was doing really justified. The kurtas was so comfortable and so good. So this is how I look like. This is how it looked like, and just love it. So much of variety of color they provide. I think I should go there in winter as well to get me those winter stuffs. Not this year, maybe next year, who knows. And summer visit in Sarojini to must ho jata hai if you are getting this beautiful stuffs from there. So this is the second purchase from Sarojini. Okay, so moving to the next one are these Actually, I got 2 pairs of sunglasses, but that one already I have gifted. Let me show you this one. So this is a very beautiful pair of sunglasses, and this is how it look like. Let me show you how it looks on me. So yeah, this is how beautiful the sunglasses are. Having said that, I have number on my eyes, so I cannot wear this. Again, this is a gift for my friend. So basically, she told me to bring me for her. So this is for her. I love these glasses. Having said that, this has this, you know, duochrome kind of things going on. Having the shades are very clear, and how cheap these glasses are. This cost me 200 rupees only. I mean, I was not expecting, because see, मैं उतना sunglass नहीं पहनती हूँ क्योंकि मेरे eyes में number है, so I cannot also for that matter. And yeah, so this is how it look on me. It only cost you rupees 200, and I find that it's so beautiful. So I think she will be liking it. Also, she told me मैंने उसको video call की थी, and she liked it in that call. I hope in person she loves it. Again, this one are the gifts for my friends. So my friends recently got 15 iPhone 15. So these are the cases of iPhone 15, and okay, so this is how the cases look like. I too myself got me a case also, not this time, but it was from Palika Bazaar, I guess. And there also I was like, these are so cheap. You do not get at these prices in Kolkata. So I was like, I need to get hands one, and their quality is really great. Okay, so these are the 2 cases for my best friend, and yeah, this is how it look like. One I got in beige-ish color, and another one in gray color. So this is how the 2 cases look like. So each one of them cost rupees 150, like 150 each, and I was like, steal deal. So moving to the next one, I have this beautiful spiral thing going on now. So if you know, you know, these are basically the, you know, your adapter का जो cable आता है. So these are for the cables, adapter cable you got. So ये cables में wearing, you know, proper उसको wind up करने के लिए काम आता है. Also what it does it, ये उतना bend, you know, wear and tear को रोकता है, ताकि तुम्हारा जो cable है बहुत you know long lasting बने. So this one I think I got it for rupees 100, and I found it so cute. See, this is how beautiful the color is, purple kind of. And yeah, so okay, so moving to the next thing, I got one key ring right here. So this is how my key ring look like. I don't know which character this particular key ring is and what it signifies, मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता. I just found it really you know, nice color combination. That's why I got it. And yeah, that's all I know. I do not really know what this figurine, yeah, what this figure is supposed to and who he is. But yeah, this is how cute the keyring is. So I got this one. Now this one cost me rupees 100, and yeah, love this keyring. So this is my next purchase. So moving to the last purchase from Sarojini, and one of my favorite purchase. मतलब मैं तो शायद इसको compare भी ना करूँ बाकी सारे purchase से. So if you know, you know. So these are the, you know, figurines that I got this time from Sarojini. How beautiful are they? So I got 3 main characters from Harry Potter. Of course, the Harry Potter, we have it, we have Hermione, and then we have Ron. So yeah, these are the 3 figurine sort of things which I got from Sarojini. Let me show you up close how it look like. First we have Harry with us. So yeah, this is how beautiful it look like. It's so real and beautiful. You know, I just can't tell you how much happy I am with these purchases. You know, this all, like, each figurine cost me rupees 300. I don't think I can find at such cheap prices from anywhere else. मुझे नहीं लगता मुझे मिलेगा. If मिलता है तो मैं, it's fine, but you cannot compare my happiness right now. So these are the 3 beautiful things I got. I mean, look at them. They are so cute. If I have to rate this purchase from Sarojini is like my favorite ones. I don't really want to compare with anything else right now, and how much I am happy. If you are a Harry Potter fan, you can definitely relate to me. So these are my last purchase from Sarojini, and that's where all this were pretty much of rupees 2000 what I spent on Sarojini in purchasing them. To be really honest, I purchased from Sarojini more than that, and yeah, this is just to show you the reference what you get within 2000 budget from Sarojini. And it's like it's pretty much compiles of everything from bag to you get this beautiful kurtas to electronics, key ring, and the beautiful cases right there. Mind buying these are so great. So yeah, that's 2000 from Sarojini. Now let's move to what I shop from Shavana for the same budget. Okay, so I have this many things from Shavana. Let's start it quickly. So first let me open this one. So firstly, this is a very much unboxing I am doing on camera itself for the first time. I haven't really done it before. So the first thing I have is this beautiful Brooklyn t-shirt. So all the prices and everything you will be seeing on the screen itself. I do not exactly remember, but this is how beautiful the t-shirt look like. This is how it is. So yeah, I think this one cost me 400 and something. Yeah, 500. I did not exactly remember. This one is a like buy one get one offer. So this is the first one I got. So beautiful. मैं पास से भी दिखाती हूँ. This is how beautiful it is. So first t-shirt is this one from Shavana. I have again another t-shirt. Oh wow. This one is more over this rubbery kind of texture it got on it. So yeah, this is the next t-shirt I got. Again, love the color. I did not have anything on this color, so I got another t-shirt right here for me to wear. I love this t-shirt. And what it says, tales as old as time. This is what it is printed, and I love this t-shirt absolutely. These both are like buy one get one, so you will, I think both cost me 790. Yeah, buy one get one for 790. So yeah, these are these things. Okay, so these are those beautiful drinks. So I have these beautiful finger rings to show you. Let me show you now. मैं ना तीनों पहन के दिखाती हूँ. I don't think it will fit exactly my fingers because my fingers are big, but yeah, some way it is looking something like this. ये भी fit हो जाएगा. I don't think कि ये fit होगा. So here we go. These 3 rings cost me 122, I guess. So these are the 3 rings I got. Is next. Now give me the bag. So I love the quality of these rings, to be honest. They are quite heavy for that matter, and also the build-up quality of these 3 rings are pretty great. I do have to tell you whether this stylish or not after wearing them, but the build quality, how is it? It's like really great one as per I can see by holding on my hands. And yeah, that's, here you go. Now moving to this big paper right here. So first, another jewelry I know I have ordered from them. So nothing. What? Okay, we have. I was scared. Anyways, first I have a beautiful earring. So small. Got this earring, and I'm little bit of disappointed with this earring because I was thinking it to be really the bigger ones. But yeah, anyways, this is how first earring from Shavana look like. I was really thinking this to be a pretty big ones, the big chunks, but anyways not. But I'm happy with this purchase. It will look really cute on my face. So yeah, this is the first purchase. Jewelries from Shavana's are so affordable. I didn't know before. It's a long time now that I have done such haul. Let me know if you want to see such videos or any dedicated videos from Shabana, I would really love to do that because I haven't shopped from them for a long time now. And the last one of this haul gonna be my favorite one, I'm sure, because मेरे बहुत रिसर्च करके I got this product. So this is a very beautiful bag from Shabana, and this is how it look like. It's gonna look great. I know it's gonna look great. So let me show you. So this is how beautiful the bag look like. It tells you hair fashion. You have got this one chain, I guess, single chain. I thought it doesn't come with chain, but it does come. I'm happy. So here you go. One big tote bag kind of situation, and one big pocket you got. That's it. No chambers inside, but this is how it look like. I think the color and everything of this bag is so stunning. It's like a very much like fake leather bag going on right here, but it will look so beautiful with jeans and all those westerns, as well as मैं इसको Indian के साथ भी पहन सकती हूँ. So yeah, this is the next tote bag I got and the last purchase from Shabana. So here of this haul. So yeah, this is how beautiful the bag is. I love the color. The chocolatey brown color is the color of the season, and also for me for this year, definitely. So yeah, this is the last purchase. Let's put it back inside. So that's it for this video. That was all 2000 at Sarojini was 2000 at Shabana. I hope you like this comparison video because I loved filming this video and also shopping under budget. ऐसे budget में shopping करना was first time, and yeah, I love this idea. So let me know if you want to see more such videos and comment down below what else you want to see from my side. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to give it a huge fat thumbs up. I will see you guys super soon in my next video. Till then, I love you all so very much. Bye.